What would you do if you came face to face with one of the deadliest animals on Earth? Scientists say that every year, over 50,000 people lose their lives to wild animal encounters. And today, I'm standing just meters away from one of them. The jungle is alive, and danger is everywhere. From crocodiles lurking beneath the water, to jaguars hiding in the shadows. Stay with me, because in this vlog, I'll take you closer than ever before. And missing this could mean missing the most thrilling adventure you'll ever see. Have you ever wondered what it's like to look a jaguar in the eye? To hear the hiss of a bushmaster snake just feet away from your sleeping bag? Most people see these moments on a screen. They feel a thrill, a rush of adrenaline from the safety of their sofa. But what if that screen was your camera, and you were the one living it? This is my world. It's the world of the wild vlogger. Every rustle in the leaves could be your next great shot, or your last mistake. The jungle doesn't care about your follower count. It only cares about survival. Imagine the air, thick and heavy, like a wet blanket you can't throw off. You can taste the earth, you can taste the rain. You can taste the scent of a million living things. Every step you take is a gamble. The ground could be solid, or it could be a pit of quicksand. This is the reality behind the camera. It's not just about pointing, it's about shooting. It's about being part of the environment, understanding its rules, respecting its power. Very few people can do this. It takes more than courage, years of training, deep knowledge of nature, an instinct that tells you when to move and when to stay absolutely still. This isn't your typical travel vlog. No five-star hotels, no fancy restaurants. My hotel is a hammock. My restaurant is whatever I can forage or catch. This raw, unfiltered experience is what makes this vlogging rare. If you believe in true wild encounters, tap subscribe and join the team. This journey is just getting started. It's about showing real untamed beauty. Beauty that's as deadly as it is breathtaking. Over the years, I've learned to read the jungle's language. Frantic monkey chatter can signal a predator nearby. The sudden silence of the insects can mean a storm is coming. These aren't facts from a book. I've been bitten, stung, and chased more times than I can count. But I keep coming back. Sharing this world with you is a privilege. My mission: bring you face to face with nature, inspire respect, and show the resilience of the human spirit. Close your eyes. Imagine you're deep in the Amazon at night. The only light comes from your headlamp. A guttural sound vibrates through your chest. What do? Stand your ground. Control your breathing. Slowly back away. Look up jaguar calls. Learn anaconda habitats. The more you know, the more you'll respect the challenge. We once hit the back of a massive black caiman. Its eyes, two red embers, stared at us, and the boat rocked with its power. We held our breath until it sank. My job is to explain, to translate fear into story. Specialized cameras, night vision gear, long lenses, so we can show natural behavior at a safe distance. The world's heaviest snake won't hunt you, but surprise one in the water, and it will defend itself. You learn warning signs. Ignoring them is a fatal mistake. My team is a well-oiled machine. Quiet comms, defined roles, camera and escape plan always ready. Vlogging out here is survival. Find clean water, build shelter, make fire, skills that keep you alive when things go wrong. And out here, things go wrong. Stay calm, assess, make a plan. We foraged, rebuilt on higher ground, and navigated back by compass and wits.